Can you start, ma'am? Hello, ma'am. Hello, Sujata, ma'am.
Hello students, a very good morning to all. I, Sujata Verma from Kolaba Municipal Secondary School, welcomes you to State Live Lecture of Geometry, Class 10, and the topic is Similarity. So today is the last topic of this chapter, and in previous lecture we discussed the BPT, that is Basic Proportionality Theorem. When we apply BPT theorem, then converse of BPT theorem, angle bisector theorem, then we solve practice set and solve example from your textbook, and then today we discuss the last topic. So are you ready for lecture? Let's see the contents of the today's lecture. So first topic is theorems of area of two similar triangles. Here we if two triangles are similar, we discuss when we say that two triangles are similar, if they follow following condition, like if two sides are in proportion and one angle are congruent, then we say that two triangles are similar by SAS test. All three sides are in proportion, then we say that two triangles are similar by SSS test of similarity. And two angles are congruent, then we say that two triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. Okay, so we discuss all these points. Test of similarity, there are three tests of similarity, and then we solve practice set 1.4 in yesterday lecture. Today we see the theorem of area of two similar triangle, and then we solve example from your textbook, and then we see practice set 1.5. Okay, now yesterday we learned the topics like SAS, AA, SSS. Okay, so SSS, that means if all sides are in proportion, then we say that these two given triangles are similar. SAS, two sides are in proportion and one angle, and AAA means both angles are congruent. Okay, now in today's lecture we see next first one is the theorem of area of two similar triangles. So first, the statement is when two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Okay, student. So this one is the statement, and this theorem is very important for 3 or 4 marks. So remember this. If in your examination this statement is given, when two triangles are similar, this one is the statement. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of those triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. That means कि अगर दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है तो हम उनके एरिया के रेशियो को उनके साइड के रेशियो के स्क्वायर के इक्वल लिखते हैं. That is the meaning of the statement. So if this question asked in your exam, so first you write the given condition, then draw the diagram, and what you have to prove, write the proof statement, and then start the proof. Okay, so one by one we start. So first we read the statement carefully. The statement is when two triangles are similar, just a minute, when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles, means those triangle means similar triangle, is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Okay, so first we write, here we consider two triangles. Which two triangles? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. See in the figure, here we consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So from first sentence, this one is from first sentence, when two triangles are similar, so we write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. We write this condition, and this symbol indicates the similar sign, similar. So ABC similar to PQR. Okay. Now, then we have AD. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC, and in second triangle, PS is perpendicular to QR. Okay. First, we write the given condition, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Then we write AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. Okay. Now, yes. Now, next, what we want to prove? See, we prove that the ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to the, means here the area of the ratio of the area of two triangles, it means area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding side. Corresponding sides means AB square by PQ square, BC square by QR square, and AC square by PR square. Okay. So this we want to prove here. So we write the proof condition here. Area of triangle ABC, ratio of ABC to the area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square. Yes. AB square by PQ square. First one. BC square by QR square. Second one. And third is AC square by PR square. So this condition we have to prove here. Okay, so here we write the statement, and by which reason we write here, we see one by one. Then we start proof. Okay, now proof. So in triangle ABC, first we write in triangle ABC. So area. Yes. So area of triangle ABC is equal to, formula is area of triangle ABC is equal to, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Okay. So here base is BC and height is AD. So we write half into AD into BC. Okay. So in from first triangle, we write half into AD into BC. Clear? And from second triangle, we write half into PS into QR. Then we want to take the ratio. Then we divide this to half AD into BC divided by half PC into QR. So this half of get cancelled. We get BC into AD, QR into PS. So here we find the area ratio of their areas, that is BC into AD. Yes, BC into AD divided by QR into PS. So this one is the first condition. Clear? So here we find first ratio of the areas of two triangles by using the formula half into base into height. So half of get cancelled. Half of get cancelled. So we get, then we distribute here BC into AD divided by QR into PS. Means we take first BC by QR and AD by PS. Okay. So reason is ratio of area of two triangles. Sorry, student. Okay, now second condition. In triangle ABC, ABD, ABD, this one, ABD, ABD, and PQS. Take this left side triangle ABD and PQS. Okay, so in this, B is congruent to Q. That is given. B is congruent to Q. And ADB is 90 degree and PSQ is also 90 degree. That means we write B is equal to Q and ADB is equal to PSQ. So each 90 degree. So from this given condition, we say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS by AA test of similarity. Okay, means first we write the ratio of area of two triangle, then we take left side two triangles and we show similar by using the given condition. Then we write triangle ABD similar to PQS. Okay, then we take their corresponding ratios. Their corresponding ratios AD by PS, AD by PS, AD by PS equal to AB by PQ. That is the corresponding sides of similar triangle. Okay, and similarly write ABC similar to PQR. If this triangle is similar, that means triangle ABC is also similar, right? Okay, so ABC is similar to PQR, then we write AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Okay, student. So from this condition 3 and 4, from this 3 and 4, BC by QR. See, first we write the first condition BC by QR into AD by PS. But here AD by PS. See, AD by PS is equal to AB by PQ and AB by PQ is equal to PS by QR. Okay, see, AD by PS is equal to AB by PQ and AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So here we substitute BC by QR. And then BC into BC is equal to BC square and QR into QR is equal to QR square. Similarly, you can also write BC by Similarly, you can write area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle PQR is equal to BC by QR square, which is equivalent to AC by PR square. So in this theorem, you remember only two conditions. First, you apply the area of triangle and then show these left-hand side triangles are similar. Take their corresponding sides and then equivalent. And from first, second, third condition, you will get your final proof. So remember this. So how we find the theorem, how we find the area of ratio of area of two similar triangle. So ratio of area of two similar triangle is always equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Okay. So this one is important theorem. Let's start solve example from your practice set. So first question, triangle ABC similar to PQR and area of triangle ABC is given. And area of triangle PQR is also given. Then find the value of ratio of AB by PQ. So in this question, area of two triangles are given and these two triangles are similar. Then by applying the theorem of area of two similar triangles, we write the formula and then we substitute the value. Okay, so see here, solution. Triangle ABC is similar to PQR. That is the given condition. Then by applying the theorem of area of similar triangle, ratio of area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square. You can also write there all three corresponding sides. Means you can write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, first you take AB square by PQ square, then second side BC by QR. So you write BC square by QR square, which is equivalent to AC square by PR square. Okay, so this one is the theorem. And here we want to find the ratio of AB square by PQ square. So we write here area of triangle, ratio of area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square. Okay, then substitute the value. This is given 16. Area of triangle ABC is given 16 and area of triangle PQR is given 25. Okay. Then here we taking the square root. The square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 25 is 5. So here we get ratio of AB by PQ is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. So very simple question for 2 marks. It's easy. Now second question. The ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles is given. Means corresponding sides ratio given. That is 2:5. If the area of smaller triangle is 64 square centimeter, then what is the area of bigger triangle? So here they indicate the smaller and bigger. First we consider two triangles. First one is the bigger one and second one is the smaller one. So here assume that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQ. We assume two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay. So here we draw two triangles. First one is A, B, C and second one is P, Q, R. From this, we say that ABC is the smaller triangle and PQR is the bigger triangle. Okay. And here we want to find their area of the bigger triangle. Then ABC is smaller and PQR is bigger triangle. Then by applying the theorem of ratio of area of two similar triangle, area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle PQR is equal to, first you write the formula, that is AB square by PQ square, or you can directly write the values. So ratio is given 2:5, but here we want to take their square because the theorem is the ratio of the area of two similar triangle is always equal to the ratio of the square. Here the word is square. So take the square of this ratio, square of the areas, or square of the corresponding sides. So square of 2 is 4 and square of 5 is 25. So we get 4 by 25. Okay. And smaller triangle ratio is given. So which one is the smaller triangle? ABC is the smaller triangle. So here we substitute 64 and here 4 by 25. Cross multiply it. Yes. 25 into 64 into 4. Divide 4 here. So we get 4 ones are and 4 16s are. And 16 multiplied by 25. That is equal to area of the triangle PQR is equal to 400. And the unit is given square centimeter. So we write here 400 square centimeter. Okay. So in this way, we find the ratio of the smaller and bigger triangle. Okay, student. So very simple question. In previous questions, area is given. From area, you find the corresponding side ratio. And here corresponding side ratio is given. And one area is given. Then we find the another area of the triangle. Okay. Now third question. Third question. In trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to CD and diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at point P. Then prove that area of triangle APB, ratio of area of triangle APB to the triangle CPD is equal to AB square by CD square. So from the given condition, first we write in trapezium ABCD. See, AB is parallel to BC. CD. AB is parallel to CD. If we consider these two triangles, which two triangles? APB, this triangle, APB, and another one is CPD, APB and CPD, these two triangles. In previous lecture, I told you for trapezium type question, you always consider the opposite triangles that like that ABC, ABP and PCD. Okay. Now, if two sides are parallel, if AB is parallel to CD and AC is the transversal, then we say that BAP is equal to PCD, alternate angle. Okay. And then APB is equal to CPD, opposite angle. From these two conditions, we say that triangle APB is similar to triangle CPD by AA test of similarity. If these two triangles are similar, then directly we take their ratio. So area of triangle APB to the area of triangle CPD is equal to AB square by CD square. So hence proof, very simple question. In this question, trapezium is given and they say that this AB is parallel to CD and diagonal intersect at point P. So we want to prove the area of triangle APB to the area of the triangle CPD is equal to AB square by CD square. First, you consider these two triangles APB and CPD. Okay, these two lines are parallel and this one is a transversal. Then by alternate angle condition, BAP is congruent to PCD, alternate angle. And this angle is congruent to this one, opposite angle, vertical opposite angle. By these two conditions, we say that triangle APB similar to CPD. If two triangles are similar, then we are applying the law, that applying the theorem, that is the theorem of area of two similar triangles. Okay. Now question third finish. Now next question, question number finish. Now we see the practice set 1.5. Okay, student. So from the theorem, here is the theorem, important theorem, and that is the area of two similar triangle. Okay, and the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is always equal to the ratio of their square of the corresponding sides. And then we solve three questions, solve example from your practice set, from your textbook, and then we solve practice set 1.5. Okay, now first question. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their area. So here in this question, ratio of similar triangles, corresponding side ratio is given. You find the ratio of their sides. So it's very simple solution. According to theorem of areas of similar triangle, area of a ratio of area of first triangle to the second triangle is equal to S1 square by S2. Here triangle 1 is triangle 1, triangle 2. And for triangle 1, S1 is the corresponding side and S2 is the corresponding side of triangle second. So here I indicate S1 is the side, side of first triangle and S2 is the side of second. So here we apply area of triangle A1 to the area of triangle 2 is equal to S1 square by S2 square. So here S1 is 3 and S2 is 5. So take their square. Square of 3 is 9 and square of 5 is 25. Okay. So simple. Therefore, the ratio of area of triangles is 9:5. Very simple for 2 marks question. Or maybe ask for 1 mark question or 2 mark question. Okay. So in this way, we find the ratio of the their here we find the ratio of their areas. Now second question. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and AB is to PQ is equal to 2:3, then fill in the blanks. Okay. Here some blank space is given. So by applying the condition, you fill the blank. Okay. Now area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by dash is equal to 2 square by 3 square equal to dash. So here we directly apply the theorem, that is the area of, yes, this one, area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle PQR. So here we write AB square by, yes, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? PQ square. So here we fill PQ square and their values is given 2 by 3. So here we write 2 square by 3 square and 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So simple way, we write here area of ratio of area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle PQR is equal to 4:9. Okay. Now second question. Third question. Now in third question, if triangle ABC is similar to PQR and area of triangle ABC is equal to 80 and area of triangle PQR is equal to 125, yes, then fill in the blanks. Okay. Now see here, In this question, two triangles are given and these two triangles are similar and their area is also given. Means first triangle, that is the area of triangle ABC is 80 and area of triangle PQR is equal to 125. So you fill the blanks. First, we write the formula by applying the theorem of area of two similar triangles. So ratio of area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle. Yes, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Here we write triangle PQR. So in first box, we write area of triangle PQR. Okay, that is equal to 80 by 125. Simple. And then this area of triangle, ratio of the area is equal to AB square by PQ square. Okay, students, here we write AB by PQ square. But when we take AB square by PQ square is equal to 80 by 125. But here we want AB by PQ. Then we taking the square root of this. We taking the square root AB by PQ. So here we take in square root. Okay. So here we write 80 by 125. Means this, when we taking the square root of this, so here we get square root. So take the square root of 80. 80 is not a perfect square root. So here we write 5 into 16 and 125 is like 5 into 25. So this 5 I get cancelled and 16 is the perfect square root of 4 and 25 is the perfect square root of 5. So here we write 4 is to 5. So in this way, we first fill this box and then we find the value of ratio of AB by P. Okay. Now third question finish. We see fourth question. Fourth question. Triangle LMN is similar to PQR. So here two triangles are given, LMN and PQR. These two triangles are similar and they give the given condition 9 into 8, 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. Okay, 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. And if QR is equal to 20, then find the value of MN. It's very simple question. Again, you have to write the given condition and then we solve. Okay, so here triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. First condition. Second, they give 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. So from this, we write area of triangle PQR to the area of triangle here is given. So first we write LMN by PQR is equal to, we take 16 here. So 9 by 16. So this one is the given condition. So from here we find area of triangle LMN to the area of triangle PQR is equal to 9 by 16. Then solution. By applying the theorem of area of two similar triangle, we write the ratio of the area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So here we take the corresponding sides mn square by pq square. No, sorry, qr square. Okay. Now, this value is given 9 by 16. Substitute here mn square by qr square as it is. But we want to find the mn value. So taking the square root, here is mn by qr is equal to square root of 9 by 16. So 9 is the perfect square root of 3 and 16 is the 4. Mn as it is and qr is given 20. Then we cross multiply here. Then we get, yes, here mn as it is. Here 20. Here 3 by 4. Cross multiply. 4 into mn is equal to 3 into 20. In next step, this 4 will divided by this term. So 4 ones are 4 fives are. So 5 threes are 15. So the value of mn is 15 units. Okay. So in this way, we solve this question. It's very simple. So 15 units. Okay, students. So in this question, two triangles are similar. And by using the given condition, we find the ratio of area of triangle. Then we write their corresponding sides.
taking square root, and one value QR is given, and ratio is given, ratio of area of triangles is given, cross multiplying, and then we find the MN value. Clear? Now next question. Question number 5. Area of two similar triangle are 225 square centimeter, 81 centimeter. Okay, those sides area is given. If a side of smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the corresponding side of the bigger one. So it's very simple. One by one we write. Triangle 1 area is given, triangle 2 area is given, and second triangle side is given S2. So here we want to find S1. Okay, from the question we write the given condition. Area of triangle 1 is given, area of triangle 2 is given, and here we write S2. See, delta 1 means area of triangle first, that is the bigger one, and delta 2 means smaller one. So S1 here we find. Now, solution. So area of triangle, ratio of area of triangle 1 to the triangle 2 is equal to S1 square by S2 square by applying the theorem of area of two similar triangles. Then substitute here. We substitute all these values. Yes. Delta 1 is given 225. Delta 2 is given 81. And this one S1 square as it is, and S2 square is 12 square. Okay. Now find the value. We get, yes, substitute here. Taking square root, 225 is the perfect square root of 15, and 81 is the perfect square root of 9. We take the square root, then this 12 square get cancelled. See students, in this step we take the square root. यहाँ पे भी हमने square root लिया, यहाँ पे भी. So this square and square root get cancelled. So 25, 1225 का 15, 981 9, S1 as it is and 12 as it is. Okay. So we get S1 is equal to 15 by 9 into 12. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 4s are. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20 centimeter. Hence the corresponding side of the bigger triangle is 20 centimeter. Okay. So in this way we find the side of the bigger triangle. Clear? Clear this question? Okay. So in this question, area is given and one side is given. By applying the theorem of area of two similar triangle, we find the corresponding sides of remaining triangle. Now next question number 6. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangle. If area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF is equal to 1:2 and AB is equal to 4, find D. So in this question, 2 area ratio is given. Means area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle PQ. Wait. Yes. So area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle DEF is equal to 1:2 and AB is 4. We want to find DE. Then we write, first we apply the theorem. So area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle DEA is equal to AB square by DE square. Now substitute the value. Their ratio is given. Their ratio is 1:2 and AB value is 4. So take the square of 4. So here is 1/2 is equal to 4 square by DE square. But here we want to find DE, then take the square root of this. If we take that square root, that means 1 square root is 1 and 2 square root is root 2. 4 get cancelled, this square get cancelled. So we get 4 by DE. Then we cross multiply here. So DE is equal to 4 root 2. Okay. So your unit is not given. So we write 4 root 2 units. Okay. Again, I explain this question. First, we apply the theorem. Okay. And this ratio is 1:2 and this value is 4 square and DE square. But in question, we want to find DE. Then we take the taking square root on both sides. So 1 square root is 1 and 2 square root is root 2. Then cross multiply, we get DE is equal to 4 root 2. Okay. Now last question from your practice set 1.5. this one is the activity based type question. Okay. In the given figure, sec PQ parallel to sec DE, an area of triangle PQF is equal to 20 units. PF is equal to 2 times DP. Then find the area of quadrilateral DPQE by completing the following activity. So students, in your exam, such type of activity can be asked for 2 or 3 marks. So see, one by one, first we read the question, then we see the figure. So in question, they ask the area of the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, this one. This one is the triangle, and this one is and quadrilateral is DEQP. So, and given condition is area of triangle PQF. This one is 20. PF is 2 times DP. Okay. So let's start. They say that DP is equal to X. Assume DP is equal to X. तो PF is equal to 2X. If DP X है, तो PF 2X हो जाएगा. So here we write, yes. DF is equal to, DF is equal DP plus PF. तो DP कितना है X और DF कितना, PF कितना है 2X. तो DF is equal to 3X. So in first box we write here we write PF and X plus 2X is equal to 3X. So here I fill all the boxes. Okay. Now next. Now we consider two triangles. Triangle FDE, larger one, and FPQ. Now one by one, angle FDE is equal to FPQ, corresponding angle. Corresponding angles मतलब क्या होता है? See, एक line है और ये angle यहाँ है और ये angle यहाँ है. Okay, so this is called as a corresponding angle. So this one is the line और यहाँ दो angles है, तो ये angle इसको congruent है by the condition corresponding angle. Now again we say that again here consider again this line. So FQP is equivalent to congruent to FED. Okay. Now from these two conditions we say triangle FD is similar to FPQ. So here we prove this. Now area of triangle FDE to the ratio of the area of triangle FDE is equal to FPQ is equal. Yes, we take their corresponding sides ratio. Yes, DF square is equal to PF square. So DF is 3x square and PF is 2x square. So see, 3 square is 9 and x square is x square. 2 square is 4 or x square. So x square cancel, we get 9 by 4. So we get 9 by 4. Okay. Now next. Now area of triangle FDE is equal to 9 by 4 times area of triangle FDFPQ. Okay. This area of triangle is 4 times this. So here we write this value is area of triangle FPQ is equal to 20. So multiply it. So we get area of 9 by 4 into 20 is equal to 45. So we get 45. Then here we want to find the area of quadrilateral DPQE. So what we do? We take area of triangle DEF minus area of triangle PQF. If we minus, then we get the area of the quadrilateral DPQE. So this one is 45 minus this area is 20, then we get 25. Okay. So in this way, we find the area of the quadrilateral DPQE is equal to area of triangle. This one, larger one, area of triangle large one means DEF minus area of triangle PQF. So 45 minus 20 is equal to 25. Okay. So this is little bit complicated, but let me again फिर से मैं explain करती हूँ this question. Okay. So this one is the given. ये पूरा given है. Okay. They say that consider DF is equal to DP is equal to X and PF is 2 times. So this becomes 2X. So here we write X and 2x. Sorry, 8 minutes. Here we write DF is equal to DP plus PF. So in first box we write DF. DP is x and DF is 2x. So we get 3x. Okay, we get 3x. As it is, if these two triangles are similar, then we take the area of their sides, corresponding sides. So here we take DF square divided by PF square. So DF by PF square. So x square get cancelled. We get 9/4. Second condition. Third, area of triangle FDE is equal to 9/4 times this. So area of triangle FPQ. Yes, FPQ. So how much FPQ? They are given 20. So here we write 20. 4 ones are 4 5s are 5 9s are 45. Okay. Then they say that area of triangle FDE minus area of triangle this. So FDE is 45 and area of triangle is 20. So 45 minus 20 is equal to 25. So in this way, we solve the following activity. Okay, students. So here your practice set 1. Sorry. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please raise your hand, unmute yourself and I'll ask your doubt. Yes, Rehan. Rehan, unmute yourself. Students, if you have any doubt, please put your doubts. Yes, Sania. Sania. Yes, unmute yourself. Yes, Sofian. हाँ पूछो बेटा अपना डाउट पूछो सोफियान. हेलो मैम.
Yes, ma'am. Unmute your unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, Rehan, unmute yourself and ask your doubt.
Tania. Rehan. Alicia.
टीचर टीचर
Yes.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का फोटो आप इसे दिखा दो.
Question 5 and question 6. Okay. ये क्वेश्चन 5 एंड क्वेश्चन 6. रिहान ये वाला क्वेश्चन.
यस यस.
हाँ, सी इन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 दो ट्रायंगल का एरिया दिया है और एक स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल का साइड दिया है. सो हमें लार्जर वाले का साइड निकालना है. सो डेल्टा 1 इंडिकेट्स द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल बिगर ट्रायंगल एरिया and delta 2 indicates the area of the smaller triangle. Okay. And S1 इसकी corresponding sides हो जाएगी. S1 इसकी, S2 इसकी. So here we apply the theorem of area of similar triangle. That is equal to. theorem समझ में आ गया ना?
यस टीचर.
हाँ. Then apply the theorem and cross multiply it. So आप यहाँ से S1 की value find out कर लोगे. And in second question, means question number 6, two areas ratio is given. Okay. दो एरिया का रेशियो दिया है.
मैम वो
यस वेट मिनट वेट. तो रेशियो दिया है और एक साइड दिया है. सेम टाइप सेम कंडीशन हियर यू कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ DE. ओके रिहान, if you want the
Yes.
screenshot, please take the screenshot of this solution. ये स्लाइड
Yes,
का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो.
short.
Okay, okay. Done?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yes.
Hello,
Next.
good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning.
Ma'am, we have to use delta everywhere wherever like this question came.
In some questions they are not given the triangle. Means जहाँ अगर triangle not indicate, so we consider delta 1 and S1 like that. Okay?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Okay. ma'am. Yes, Ayush, Priyanshu. Yes, Priyanshu.
मैम 7th का जरा एक बार रिवाइज करो ना.
7th one. Okay. हाँ, सी 7th क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है, ये आपका क्वेश्चन है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पूरा क्वेश्चन है आपका. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आएगा आपके एग्जाम में, और ये जो बॉक्सेस दिख रहे हैं ना पिंक कलर के, बस आपको वही फिल करना है. सो यहाँ जो रेड कलर इंडिकेट्स द बॉक्स. ओके, सो दे गिव डीएफ इज इक्वल टू, अब डीएफ को हम क्या लिखेंगे, डीएफ इज इक्वल टू डीपी प्लस पीएफ. ओके, सो इन फर्स्ट बॉक्स वी राइट डी पीएफ, and here we consider df is x and dp is 2 times, so here we write 2x. clear? ये first box clear हुआ आपका Priyanshu?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. Now in triangle, this is given condition. In triangle FDE and FPQ, corresponding angle condition, we apply two condition and then we say that these two triangles are similar by AA test. Then by applying the theorem, yes, which theorem? Area of two similar triangles. So here we write FDE. So here we write DF square by PF square. ये समझ में आया? DF by PF square क्यों लिखा हमने?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Now x square get cancel. 3 का square 9, 2 का square 4. So we get 9 by 4. Again they give the condition. The area of triangle FDE is 9 by 4 times area of triangle FPQ, and FPQ is 20. So here we write 20. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. So 9 into 5 is equal to 45. Okay, clear? But in question they ask the area of the quadrilateral. तो हम area of the quadrilateral कैसे निकालेंगे? First we take the larger triangle area, then we subtracting the smaller one, we get the area of the quadrilateral. So larger का हमको कितना मिला? 45, and this smaller का दिया है 20, minus किया, so we get 25 square unit. Okay, now clear Priyanshu? Yes, Priyanshu?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Yes, good morning.
मैम मैम मैं मतलब हम एग्जाम में खाली मैम नंबर ही चेंज करेंगे ना, कि कुछ और भी चेंज हो सकता है?
हाँ, देखो आपका जैसे क्वेश्चन पेपर आता है तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में आपका कंसेप्ट सेम रहेगा, वैल्यू चेंज करके देंगे, लेकिन अप टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सेम टाइप क्वेश्चन आएंगे. जैसे ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में एक्टिविटी टाइप क्वेश्चन आता है, तो ये एज इट इज रहेगा. ओके,
ठीक है मैम, थैंक यू.
ओके, मोस्ट वेलकम.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Bye.
अंजलि यादव. यस बेटा, आपको डाउट है अंजलि यादव?
Not audible. ठीक.
ओके मैम.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, good morning.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ, यस आदित्य.